Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Gmail so recall is possible. Go to Settings and enable Undo Send, selecting a cancellation window of 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. This gives you a brief reversal period. Make sure you use the web interface or the Gmail mobile app that reflects that setting. Send a quick test message to yourself so you can practice spotting the undo link. Doing this establishes the only native way to remove a sent message within Gmail's allowed timeframe. You must act fast. Once you hit send, watch the yellow confirmation bar that appears at the bottom left of the screen. It contains a blue undo button. Click undo before the cancellation timer expires and Gmail will pull the message back into draft. This removes it from outbound delivery and lets you edit or delete it. If you miss the window, understand why. Gmail cannot retract messages already delivered to external servers, so consider confidential mode or contacting recipients directly as alternate mitigation. Once the message returns to draft, delete it or change and resend. Verify that sent no longer contains the unwanted content. If you don't see the undo option, go back to Settings and confirm Undo Send is enabled and set to a non-zero window, then refresh the page or clear cache and retest. If the recipient already got the email, you can ask them to delete it, send a corrected follow-up. Or if you're on Google Workspace, use admin tools or email retention settings to manage consequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.